Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Siri enabled, Apple Intelligence turned on, and iCloud signed in so data syncs. Once done, set your preferred language and voice. Make sure personalization is allowed so Siri learns your habits. Next, open settings to create a concise shortcut phrase for common requests. This immediate setup guarantees Siri can access necessary data and respond contextually. Follow these first actionable steps now so you can move straight into testing with real commands and refining behavior. Now configure permissions and intelligence features so Siri uses relevant apps. Go app by app to grant contacts, mail, calendar, and photos access when you expect Siri to act on them. This also prevents permission errors later. Then enable on-device intelligence for quicker, private responses and better offline behavior. Create Siri shortcuts for routine multi-step tasks like sending messages and turning on home devices. Editing shortcuts lets you fine-tune exact phrasing. Once set, test a few compound commands to verify out. Finish by running realistic tests. Ask for message drafts, daily summaries, or home device control to confirm Siri uses Apple Intelligence correctly. If results are off, retrain phrasing and update shortcuts. Should Siri fail to respond, try toggling Siri or personalization off and on. This often clears cached decisions. Additionally, confirm network connectivity, iCloud sync status, and microphone access. If problems persist, restart the device. This last troubleshooting tip, toggle personalization, resolves many odd behaviors without wiping your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.